when you realize वो इतना काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, did that demotivate you to take the relationship to the next level कि नहीं?
Yes, there were insecurities when I got married to him. Of course, there were insecurities. You do feel like people picking on him with things because they know he won't say anything and they know he will laugh. They don't mean it always. I'm saying, but I used to be like, Chunky, why are you allowing it? Why do you let people talk to you like that? Because that was me.
फिर उसकी ट्रोलिंग होती है एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड कि हर उम्र में 15, 16, 17, 18, 20 हम लोग में एक बचपना होता है which we all have,
Yeah,
right?
of course.
When she gets trolled for that, do you as a mother become fiercely protective and you become this tigress? क्या वो आपके सामने बैठ के confide करती है to the point where she can show her most vulnerable side to you when a relationship breaks off?
So
Have all the three girls at any point of time कभी रूल तोड़ा है जहाँ पे आप बोली कैसे तोड़ा है तुम तीन गर्ल्स ने एक साथ, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है? शालिनी और उनके हस्बैंड ने आपके पिताजी की मदद की थी टू हेल्प हिम इन हिज हेल्थ,
Yeah.
राइट? बट एक सेगमेंट कहता है कि शो पे आप बहुत पोकी है टुवर्ड्स शालिनी, ऐसा क्यों?
I nearly broke down when you told me, because I don't think I have spoken to anyone where they have said that to me, where you said that, do you think you were more emotional crutch to him than, when you spoke about Chunky and me getting married at that time? Like, I thought he was supporting me emotionally, but I never thought that I could have been also supporting him emotionally.
यार मैंने हमेशा ये माना है एंड आई सेड दिस बिफोर, वापस बोलूंगा, ठीक है? I've always believed among all this craziness जो होता है हमारे इर्द गिर्द, आपके फैमिली में, हमारे फैमिली में, you're that calm, composed lady. ये फीडबैक आपको हमेशा मिलता है कि ये एक कैमरा पर्सोना है?
ये फीडबैक मुझे सबसे मिलता है सिवाय चंकी पांडे की. ऑब्वियसली उन्होंने मेरी हर तस्वीर देखी है, हर साइड ऑफ माई पर्सनैलिटी ही हैज सीन. सी, आई एम यूजुअली अ काम पर्सन, but I am like a soda bottle, you can say. If you have to like push me, and then if I explode, I explode. But also then I settle fast. And Chunky knows. He knows. So he knows now after 20, कितने साल हो गए हमारी शादी को? Almost 28 साल होने लगे हैं. तो अब उनको पता चल गया कि क्या और कब करना है. Also, I think, with age, I have kind of matured and become more calm. So ये सीजन जो बॉलीवुड सीजन आए हैं वो मेरी जिंदगी के राइट टाइम पे आए हैं.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
so that वो एक्सप्लोसिव साइड आता, you know how social media is.
Of course. Luckily social media भी मेरी लाइफ में तब आया है when I had already matured. Younger age में सच्ची हम लोग बच गए.
तो यंगर एज में कैसे थी आप?
Younger age में obviously like everyone else, much more, crazier, obviously that's the word, with every aspect, and I mean crazy, impulsive, say a lot of things without thinking. And today, I mean, I take a pause, I think like I'm trying to do right now before saying something. And I think, just experiences, life, teaches you a lot. So I think Bollywood Vibes and this interview that we are doing today and social media has come at a time in my life when I've kind of matured and calmed down.
So let's do a flashback.
Okay.
28, 29 years back.
28, 29 years
Yeah.
back. So I was about 23. Yeah.
Before getting married to Chunky Pandey?
I got married to Chunky when I was 23.
तो माने बेबी हो.
I
Literally.
mean, उस टाइम के लिए 23 साल बिल्कुल ठीक माना जाता था शादी के लिए. I'm talking about 28 years ago. 23 साल में 23 और 28 साल के बीच में लड़कियों की शादी हो जाती थी. इनफैक्ट 21 और 28 के बीच में मैंने 23 में करी. और by the time I was 24, जब मैं 24 की थी, Ananya was born. So I kind of learned everything, I had to learn things fast. Yeah.
तो आप क्या करती थी उस वक्त, बिफोर गेटिंग मैरिड टू चंकी? आप क्या करती थी?
तो शादी से पहले आई हैड जस्ट फिनिश माई ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम श्री राम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स दिल्ली, जिसका मैंने बहुत शो ऑफ किया है शो में. एंड उसके बाद आई वांटेड टू परस्यू माई एजुकेशन. मुझे MBA करनी थी एंड आई इवन थॉट ऑफ बिकमिंग अ CA. पर देन लाइफ हैड डिफरेंट प्लान्स बिकॉज मुझे एक ब्रेक चाहिए था. आई वांटेड बिकॉज आई हैड बीन अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट. तो अपनी 11th 12th first year of college, second, third year of college, I worked very hard. I studied. I used to like study a lot. उसके बाद मैंने कहा मैं 1-1.5 साल का ब्रेक लूँगी एंड आई विल कम बैक टू एजुकेशन. आई वांटेड टू ट्रैवल. मुझे घूमने का बहुत शौक था. तो आई जॉइंड Lufthansa as an air hostess, okay, as a flight attendant, which was, I had one of my best times there. My college life and my flying days have been, you know, some of the best moments in my life were then. In fact, I met Chunky also just before I started flying. And फिर I mean life had different plans. फिर मेरी शादी हो गई. By the time I only was I flew for about a year. फिर मेरी शादी हो गई. मैं बॉम्बे आ गई and I got pregnant. Ananya was born. So you know, whatever plans I had in life, they didn't exactly work the way I planned. That's why now I believe don't plan too much. Go with the flow, live in the moment and enjoy it.
So I want to understand, आप चंकी से मिली कहाँ? क्योंकि
हाँ.
we all know in those days हम लोग बोलते थे I want to be like चंकी पांडे. क्योंकि जब मैं लखनऊ में था, I used to come to Delhi, and then I would see articles, Chunky Pandey dating so and so.
Yeah. Full.
Quite a ladies' man, huh?
Hugely. Yeah.
तो how did he charm you? और वो perception आपको मालूम था कि नहीं कि ये ladies man है?
No, of course I knew because पर तब social media नहीं था. तो क्या होता था जब जो भी किसी की पर्सनालिटी के बारे में पता चलता था या वो मैगजीन से पता चलता था, और वो मैगजीन्स महीने में एक बार आती थी. You know, actually the actors at that time didn't even have a chance to clarify. जो एक बार छप गया, फिर अगले महीने देखेंगे क्या होगा, क्योंकि कहाँ क्लैरिफाई करेंगे. कोई चैनल्स नहीं थे एज सच. लहरे इंटरव्यू होता था, मुझे याद है, बिकॉज हम लोग सब देखते थे. एंड तो ऑफ कोर्स इन फैक्ट आई वाज व्हेन आई मेट हिम द फर्स्ट टाइम, हम एक्चुअली एक नाइट क्लब में मिले थे. नाइट क्लब का नाम है घुंघरू. दिल्ली में बहुत फेमस नाइट क्लब था, आपको याद होगा.
डीजे था, डीजे JOE, जैसी जो.
जैसी, उससे पहले सनी सरीद. Yeah, huge DJs at that time, and they used to play the best remixes and Bollywood music, and it used to be so much fun. Anyway, हम लोग घुंघरू में मिले तो चंकी वहाँ पे मिस इंडिया जज करने आए हुए थे दिल्ली, एंड उनकी फ़्लाइट मिस हो गई. तो जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स थे, दे टुक हिम डाउन. आई थिंक वो मौर्या शेरेटन में ठहरे हुए थे, तो उनको वो नीचे क्लब में उनको एंटरटेन करने लेके गए थे. और मेरे फाइनल ईयर के एग्ज़ाम्स चल रहे थे, तो हम लोग सारी लड़कियां एक साथ बैठ के पढ़ रही थी. हम लोग 3 लड़कियां थी, एक साथ पढ़ रही थी. हमने कहा चलो हम लोग थोड़ा घूम के आते हैं, एक ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. तो वी स्नीक्ड आउट ऑफ द हाउस. लिसन गर्ल्स, डोंट डू इट. वी डिड इट. इट वाज वेरी सिली, बट don't sneak out of the house. Tell your parents where you're going.
This is the balanced mama talking.
This is the mama speaking now. Ki, how could I do that? How could I do that today? I would be devastated if my girl sneaked out. But they can't now. Now there's too much tracking और ये वो बहुत कुछ है. वो अब sneak out नहीं कर सकते. तब तो एक लैंडलाइन होती थी. कहाँ से एक बार पेरेंट्स सो गए, उनको तो पता भी नहीं चलता था कि कहाँ चले गए बच्चे. और no mobile phones, nothing. I mean, I don't know. But I think those times were also different. I mean, I don't know, how old are you?
I'm 45.
45. So you remember those
Of
times,
course.
right? Yeah, you're not one of those Gen Zs
नहीं
and all.
यार, वो trunk call, वंकल सब मुझे
सब याद है, हाँ. So anyway, तो हम लोग गए, and as soon as I entered the club, I remember Chunky was standing there. So I just, you know, तुम जैसे ही club enter करते हो, तुम्हें ये नहीं पता होता कि you don't expect him to be there. You don't expect, because at those times, where did you see actors? You barely saw actors. कभी मतलब हमें याद है कि वो तो टूर्स वगैरह होते थे, उनके घर दिखाते थे बाहर से वगैरह, कहाँ दिखते नहीं थे एक्टर्स. तो आई वॉकड इन एंड आई जस्ट थॉट इट वाज अ वेरी गुड लुकिंग गाय, टॉल गुड लुकिंग गाय, एंड आई जस्ट सेड हाय, एंड आई मूव्ड आगे विद माय फ्रेंड्स, एंड ही सेड हाय बैक. एंड देन वी, जब हमने 3-4 कदम लिए आगे, सो माय फ्रेंड्स एंड आई वर लाइक, oh my God, that is Chunky Pandey. You know, so we turned around and then we spoke to him. You know, we chatted. We were very excited to meet him. And obviously then, you know, we danced a bit. Simple times, simple lives, danced a bit,
पर
chatted
you
a
and
bit.
Chunky alone कि पूरा girl
नहीं नहीं,
gang?
पूरा ग्रुप था. हम लोग
Ah.
3 लड़कियां थी, चंकी और उनके साथ आई रिमेम्बर आइफा के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स थे,
विराफ,
आंद्रे एंड
सबास.
विराफ एंड
Ah.
सबास. तो हम लोग सब एक साथ डांस कर रहे थे, गप्पे मार रहे थे. मज़ा आया. वी वर देयर फॉर मे बी 1.5 hours क्योंकि घर पहुंच के फिर पढ़ाई करनी थी ना, अगले दिन एग्जाम था. तो व्हेन आई वाज लीविंग, चंकी आस्क्ड मी फॉर माय फोन नंबर. Ladies man, he proved it. So he asked me for my number. So I had heard of his reputation, of course. I had read and whatever. So मैंने उनको अपने घर का लैंडलाइन नंबर दिया जो हमेशा ख़राब रहता था, जानबूझकर. मैंने कहा कि मिलाता रहे, उसको तो फ़ोन लगना नहीं है. You know,
But I'm sure कि आप थोड़ी attracted तो हुई होंगी
no, of
because
course.
you waved to him, you
See,
said hi.
I was attracted. I thought he was very good looking, and of course he was Chunky Pandey. But I never in my dreams thought or expected that it will go any further because here मैं अपने final year के exams दे रही हूँ, and I have my ambitions. I want to do my MBA, CA, you know, probably work for a multinational company. You know, those were my ambitions at that time. Chunky was an actor. वो अगले दिन बॉम्बे वापस जाने वाले थे, and then he would be, you know, maybe probably meeting 100,000 girls like me or even more, you know. So that was, I didn't even think of it that it would go. So कुछ फायदा कुछ लगा ही नहीं कि दोबारा मिलेंगे. आज की तरह नहीं है ना. That's what the kids don't understand. मतलब he would have had to make a trunk call to me. Means he would have had to really chase me and make an effort, या वापस दिल्ली आते या कुछ करते दोबारा मिलने के लिए. ये तो है नहीं कि WhatsApp messages हो रहे हैं, वीडियो कॉल्स हो रही हैं. There was nothing like that, you know. So it had to be a huge effort from his side or my side for it to move to the next step. So वो सोचा ही नहीं था. तो एक गलत नंबर दे दिया. एंड ऑल्सो मेरे फादर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे. अभी तो स्नीक आउट करके गए, परमिशन नहीं ले पाए थे. तो आई थॉट कि ये गलत नंबर दे देती क्योंकि असली नंबर और पापा ने उठा लिया तो मतलब बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. सो आई गेव हिम दिस नंबर. देन ऑब्वियसली 4-5 महीने निकल गए. मेरे फाइनल ईयर एग्ज़ाम्स हो गए. आई डिड वेरी वेल. And by then I decided कि मुझे ये break लेनी है, and I got into Lufthansa and I went for my training to Frankfurt. That's what I'm trying to say. Now Chunky came back to Delhi 6 months later and he called on that landline. और वो dead landline decided to ring that day. And my father picked up the phone. And I still remember he gave the name Sunil. He couldn't obviously give the name Chunky Pandey. So he said, hello, this is, I don't know why he thought maybe Suyash, his real name, and he made it Sunil. I don't know why, but he said Sunil. I remember this. And he said, I want to speak to Bhavna. And my father said, who's this? He said, Sunil. So he said, she's left the country, and dhar, banged the phone down. And that's it. Chunky thought ki chalo, you know, she has moved on, probably got married, and she's left the country. So she's gone. So he also gave up on me, and I didn't see him again. Then one of the flights, I came to Bombay for a layover, you know, as a flight attendant. And I remember हम लोग लीला होटल में रहते थे, the whole crew. And I bumped into a common friend जो चंकी को भी जानती थी और मुझे भी. एक रसना पब क्या कुछ होता था कोलाबा में.
My God, चर्चगेट स्टेशन से थोड़ा आगे.
हाँ, हम लोग वहाँ गए थे सारी.
ऑल इंडिया रेडियो के पास था वो.
See, the whole crew had gone for dinner there. और मुझे ये लड़की वहाँ मिली. And she asked me that, what are you doing here? I heard you got married. Means Chunky had remembered and discussed this with her also. I must have left some impact, I'm sure.
You still leave an impact, Baba. It's not then. Aaj
Thank
bhi.
you. Yeah. So she said, but I heard you got married, and Chunky told me you got married. So I said, no, I'm not married. I'm a flight attendant with Lufthansa, and I come to Bombay like, you know, once or twice a month on flights or whatever. So, okay, bye, whatever. Next day means she has told Chunky. उसी दिन रात को वो चंकी को एक और पार्टी में मिली. मीन्स इट्स जस्ट लाइक आई थिंक डेस्टिनी वांटेड अस टू गेट टुगेदर. आई कैन ओनली से दैट बिकॉज आई डोंट सी एनी अदर रीजन व्हाई थिंग्स वुड हैपन द वे दे हैपेंड. And then she met him and then she told him, and next day I get a call in my room because Chunky, being Chunky, as you said, he knew where the Lufthansa crew stays. It stays at Leela. तो वहाँ फ़ोन करके मेरा नाम पूछा and they connected him to the landline. And then I spoke to him again and then I told him कि मैं आती रहती हूँ, and he said मिलना चाहिए. By then mobile phones had just come out. So he gave me his mobile number. And he said, call me whenever you're in Bombay next. अगले भी 2-3 ट्रिप में मैंने उनको फ़ोन नहीं किया because again, you know, you're worried, you're scared कि, you know, should I take it any further? I don't know where it's going to go. Then I think 2-3 बहुत लंबी कहानी है. I think people are going
No,
to
but I
get
love
bored.
it. I promise you.
Are you sure?
I promise you दिल से.
इतनी
अगर-
लंबी कहानी.
देखिए मैं बताता हूँ आपको, अगर रोकना होगा ना मैं आपको रोक दूंगा.
अच्छा ठीक है.
और
Then
मैं
stop
डिविएट
me.
कर दूंगा.
Yeah,
I
then-
will deviate it.
Okay,
I'm
fine.
listening to you very attentively, sir.
Then उसके 2-3 trips बाद we were on a flight और German crew हमारे साथ थे और 1-2 इंडियन गर्ल्स थी. उन्होंने कहा कि listen, we are going to Bombay and हमें शूटिंग देखनी है यार. We should see a shooting. So I said, listen, I know this actor, Chunky Pandey. Let me call him. Maybe he'll organize it for us. Now, see, all this has happened over a period of 1 year, 2-3 months. So काफ़ी time निकल गया है. So I called him up and again fate, because he always says that those days he didn't really have work and he wasn't really shooting, but that day he was shooting, the day I called him. And he said, I'm shooting at Filmistan and he was shooting some film with, I remember, Kader Khanji, and he was shooting together, and he said, I'm shooting, so come for my shoot and bring all your friends, no problem. So we all went, and I had colored my hair blonde those days, colored hair. I used to wear blue lenses. And he had met me 1.5 years before in a dark nightclub, looking very different. Okay? और फिर हम लोग 5-6 लड़कियाँ एक साथ शूटिंग में गई. And he says till today he was stumped because उन्हें याद नहीं था कि what I looked like. क्योंकि उसके बाद देखा ही नहीं था. So when 6 of us walked in, 3 Germans, 3 Indian girls, and he's actually gone like this and gone Bhavna, and he was very smart and lucky that he pointed at the right girl. I think that's the time we spent a lot of time with him. He joked and chatted with us and, told us about, especially the German crew, about, the Indian film industry and things, and, charmed everyone, as you said. Then next few trips, 3-4 trips, every time I came, he used to take us out, all the girls. He used to take us to J49, जहाँ भी हमें जाना होता था, चंकी हमें घुमाता था हर जगह. Raz Rhino, बहुत थे. Xanadu, पता नहीं कौन-कौन से clubs थे. We went everywhere with him. And then, we started getting to know each other, and then things happened. And then finally, I think 7-8 months, जहाँ पे भी मैं अपने flight पे जाती थी, and whichever city I would go, he would make an effort to fly there. He would always say, मेरा कुछ काम है. And, you say, अरे मैं भी वहाँ पे उसी time पे हूँ, या कुछ भी करके. He made a huge effort. And obviously, by then, he had floored me completely. I was madly in love. And when he proposed to me, I said yes, immediately.
28 years, still going strong. So happy.
Touch wood, yeah.
Yeah. Nowadays, you can't even ask, with due respect, कि आपका husband कैसा है, boyfriend कैसा है, girlfriend कैसा है. You can't ask. Because things change so quickly.
Things change, yeah. Things change.
To each his own.
Yeah, to each his own. Absolutely.
आपने एक लाइन कही थी मुझसे अभी, which is, he told me he wasn't shooting that much, he didn't have too much work.
Yeah.
I would like to believe कि, there's a lady
Yeah.
outside Bombay, air hostess है, do-eyed है, actor भी है, does work. When you realize वो इतना काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, did that demotivate you to take the relationship to the next level कि नहीं?
No. I don't know what it was. I don't know, was it like being very young? I don't know what it was, because maybe, by the time जब आप अपने 30s में होते हो या whatever, maybe you think differently. I was 21, 22. I didn't think so much. I just thought we'll make a life together. Like, I didn't think. See, obviously, that was, he always says, and even I know, that was probably his lowest phase of his career. It was, because he had kind of moved to Bangladesh, and he was not really very active in the Indian film industry. But, I don't know, there was something about him. And I always felt कि, ये इंसान मेरा ध्यान रखेगा. I don't know, you have a gut feeling. I had a good gut feeling about him. And yeah, to think back, actually, you're asking me this question, and sometimes, in conversation, it has come up like, did you not think that what is your future going to be?
Exactly. No?
Yeah, no, I didn't. I was very, I don't know, my gut said, I'll be fine. I went with my gut. Let's put it that way. And also, I was very young. I did not think so much. और एक और छोटा reason था. I wanted to move to Bombay.
क्यों? Freedom, parents से.
Yeah, absolutely. See, not parents. I was flying. I was going all over the world. It was, so I had kind of moved, but I definitely, very strong point. I felt that Chunky was way more, liberal in his thinking than my father was, definitely, And also, I have to give it to my father because in those times, we were 3 sisters, 3 girls, And in those times, things were very different. Educate karo, padhao, they should have a job, a career, marry a, man who also has a 9 to 5 job or a
Which
career.
you would use the word settled.
Settled is the word. Yes, that's the word. Settled. But yeah, it was also freedom. I did my schooling in Bombay, and I always loved Bombay as a city. I just found it way more free, great for, professions. I just, there was something about Bombay, which मैंने schooling करके college Delhi में किया, but I always wanted to come back to this city. So I think एक वो जो manifestation होती है from a young age, from the subconscious mind, that kept playing. And it worked out.
So I have a friend.
Yeah.
Who's a ladies' man, okay?
Huh.
But a very harmless ladies' man.
Yeah.
He was basically a charmer.
I think Chunky's the same.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm coming to that too.
Yeah.
So he was a charmer. He was not manipulative. वो
No.
नहीं था कि इसको ये किया वो किया झूठ बोला ऐसा.
No. हाँ, correct.
But when he got married, उसके wife के subconscious mind में ये चीजें play होती थी. And she kept coming back to saying, "Arey, listen, yaar, who did you go and meet? Someone would come and maro one tana, and she would get, and he would tell me कि Baba, I mean, I'm madly in love with this girl. In fact, I don't want at this phase. I just want her, nobody else." But it kept coming back क्योंकि society आके उनकी wife को एक ताना मार देती थी. It took him 3 years for her to realize कि ये मेरा पति ऐसा है नहीं. Did that play on your mind after you got into marriage with Chunky?
With us, kya hua? Things moved really fast. You have to understand. Yes, there were insecurities when I got married to him. Of course, there were insecurities because jab tum, I had only seen him outside of his atmosphere, in the sense like not really been with him like full-fledged, because in those times, as we said, trunk calls, flights were only that many. तो महीने में 2 महीने में एक बार मिल रहे हो, 2 बार मिल रहे हो. Yes, when I moved here, I definitely did go through insecurities because suddenly I was in a line which was full of beautiful looking people. Very, very beautiful people, very successful people. And, you want to make that extra effort to be liked, to be seen well. I also wanted to be like, Chunky should be proud of me, his wife. Those things come. But I think also partner पे बहुत depend करता है. How comfortable your partner makes you. He made me very, very, very comfortable. See, also you have to realize that he was at his lowest time of his career. So we were more like a unit than him flying on his own. It was not that. Things happened the way they happened. I was I used to support him a lot in my own way from the house. And he wanted to do things. I got pregnant 1.5 months into our wedding, and Ananya's born 9 months.
Was that planned?
No, absolutely unplanned. 9 months, 16 days after our wedding, we got married on 17 Jan and Ananya is born 30th October, same year. So things happened very fast. So from being like a husband who I should be insecure of or whatever, suddenly we were parents to a little baby girl. So I can't explain. Of course, insecurities were there, but because of the circumstances and also because of him making me feel so comfortable, and he never let me feel ki, I should, be afraid of something. And he was also around a lot because he wasn't working that much. You have to remember, we were together a lot.
I would like to believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, I think his emotional dependency on you would have been very solid, more than yours on him at that time. Because for a man especially, काम उनका आइडेंटिटी होता है, you know. They feel like that. They feel if I do well, your body language changes.
Yeah.
When you don't, because they are judged only for the work they do.
Of course. And especially in a line of work like this,
Absolutely.
which is for the world to see and the world to judge. Yeah.
And they write you off.
Yeah.
And they butcher you.
Yeah.
Do you think his emotional dependency आप पर ज़्यादा थी उस वक्त कि एक लड़की आई है जो इंडस्ट्री से बाहर है, she's actually the star in the relationship क्योंकि he was dependent on you emotionally when he was going through the toughest time in his life.
Maybe you should do one interview with him
But I'm
to ask
asking
him.
you.
You know, it's a possibility because I maybe in my head at that age thought that I am the one emotionally and financially dependent on him. But you're right in what you're saying. I would have had to agree. It must have been double-sided. He never showed it though. He was always very happy, and he never showed like he was needy. He never let me feel that. Like I never felt that he needs me or something. He was always very balanced because he was always very happy, and he always whatever we wanted, like मुझे जो भी चाहिए था, whether it comes to having a newborn baby or me, he was there for me emotionally. See, imagine, think of me. I have just gotten married और आते ही मैंने पहले क्या करूँ अभी, because flying job तो छोड़ दी because my base was in Delhi, right? So what should I do? चलो, let me, in those days it was like, let me shoot a portfolio because everyone said you're pretty looking. Shoot a portfolio. Maybe you can model a bit till you find something to do. I shot a portfolio, and the minute the pictures came out of the portfolio, एक दो अभी ads मिली थी, like कुछ print या कुछ वो, and immediately you find out कि अरे you're pregnant, so this is out of the window. You can't be doing this anymore. Then you have to think of something else. And I had always been very busy. I'd always worked in my life, even in my college years, part-time jobs and whatever, because I come from a family like that. My mother's always worked, and even my grandmother was a very strong woman. And we were 3 sisters. My dad was the only man in the house, So I've seen women being very strong and always working. So, I wanted to take that forward. Suddenly it was like, oh, now I'm pregnant and I have a baby. So I felt my dependency was much more on him. But maybe his was also there, and that's why it kind of worked out.
When I feel very low, I tell my wife, मैं बोलता हूँ उनको कि I feel low. I don't hide anything. I keep telling her because I get it off my chest. He was going through such a bad phase. Yet he was very lucky, happy, fun, bindas. आपको समझ आ रहा था कि अंदर उनका पेन चल रहा है कि नहीं?
No.
Never.
Not really. He never showed it to me because Chunky is a hustler, I've seen from day one. If it was not movies, he was always doing something else. He had started doing movies in Bangladesh. Then he also started an events company. So he was, so it was amazing to see this actor who was, a big star who used to be called to be taken to shows and events. And now he was organizing events and taking other actors for it. So he had become behind the scenes. But he was very happy doing it. He never made us feel that he's sad or discouraged. Never. Maybe he had his own moments alone. Of course, he must have had. But he never made us feel it. And even if you ask Ananya today in any of the interviews, and she will tell you that, because a child would have caught on. Somewhere, एक बच्चे को पता चलता है या वाइफ को पता चलता है कि maybe he's hurting or maybe whatever. He didn't make it. He was a hustler. He used to wake up. One thing about him is like every morning when he wakes up, whether he has work or not, he's like कुछ करना है. अब क्या करूँ? When he didn't have work, he used to go and see properties, just कि एक दिन खरीदूंगा, go and see farmlands या कुछ. He has always kept himself busy. Events शुरू कर दिए, Bangladesh में movies. Then I remember he was doing some talk show also, Super Hit Muqabla. He was hosting that show, but he kept doing something till it was like कि नहीं, Bollywood has given me my identity, this Indian film industry. I need to go back and look for work. And I remember when Ananya was born 98, by I think 99, 2000, he kind of restarted. He said, ठीक है, मुझे हीरो के काम नहीं मिल रहे, मैं character roles करूँगा. I remember it was a very clear decision. And he was like, I'm not going to wait because it's not going to come. He did 1, 2 here and there. I remember एक movie थी तिरछी टोपी वाले जिसमें he was the main lead. But they were just not working. I remember then he started doing meetings again. He started meeting, I remember he met Harry Baweja. He was making Qayamat, so he took a character role in that. Then he went and met Priyadarshan, and then he did De Dhanadhan, and played a Nepali in that. Then he played something else. Like he was doing character roles everywhere. But he was very happy. I didn't feel it because he's always ready to work.
क्या any point of
The only
time
time I've seen him actually low in his life is twice, when his father passed away and when his mother passed away. These are the only two times I have seen Chunky go through a low. And even then, he didn't say it, but I knew he was hurting. But besides that, honestly and honest to God, I have not felt that, which is, I think, a great quality.
In fact, I'll tell you one thing. In those days, we used to do radio interviews.
Yeah.
So we used to not shoot like अब YouTube में डालते हैं. He was the first person in this country who used to do self-deprecating humor. जो मैं लोगों को समझाना चाहता हूँ कि खुद पे मजाक उड़ाना. वो आते थे बांग्लादेश के बारे में, मैं सुपरस्टार हूँ and all that. और एक टाइम था जब एक्टर्स बहुत सेंसिटिव थे, अभी भी है. You tell an actor one joke, phatak.
Yeah.
Like I won't take a name, like there's an A-lister, I would maro a joke. And phatak, he would get defensive. It was just a banter. Chunky was the first guy in the country जो खुद पे joke मारते थे. And I thought that was courageous.
Yeah, it's very courageous because that is one thing I used to get irritated about, in fact.
Huh?
I used to, yeah. Because I remember, there are a couple of times, I went for award functions with him. Or, even sometimes, you're sitting in a living room and it's your friends. But there are a lot of other people. Like, say, I'm talking about like a bigger party, where you do feel like, people picking on him with things because they know he won't say anything. And they know he will laugh. They don't mean it always, I'm saying. But I used to be like, Chunky, why are you allowing it? Why do you let people talk to you like that? Because that was me. But he was like, listen, it's all fun and games and I don't take these things to heart. It's fun, yeah, why not? If I can crack a joke on someone, I should be able to crack it on myself also, no? That's his thing. And I think Ananya, to a certain extent, has taken that quality from Chunky because she can do that. She has a little bit of a thick skin like him. I'm not like that. I've become better today, but I would be very sensitive about things. I can't take too many jokes on myself because I will think 10 times before cracking a joke on someone that it should not hurt the person.
In fact, I'll tell you about Ananya also. Great acting-wise, the fact that she's become so natural in front of the camera, it's unbelievable.
Yeah.
Last two जो उनके shows मैंने देखे हैं, it didn't feel like she was acting.
Yeah.
In fact, मुझे याद है किसी ने मुझसे कहा, यार ये तो अनन्या ऐसे ही है real life में. And I said, no.
You met her. She's not like that.
I said, वो ऐसे नहीं है. The fact that you're saying वो ऐसे ही है, that means she's a damn good actress.
Yeah.
Only other lady in this country is Alia Bhatt, and I see that natural streak in Ananya as well.
That's a
And I
huge
remember-
compliment for Ananya.
I mean,
yeah.
but I'll also tell you in interviews, वो कभी-कभार बहुत honest रहती है.
Yeah.
And then she gets trolled.
Yeah.
But I also know, and I tell people this, कि देख, it takes a minute for her to understand what to say, what not to say, and be so politically correct. And with think tanks, like your PR people who can keep
Yeah.
guiding you. But she chooses not to take that route.
She doesn't want to take that.
She doesn't want to take
I've tried it. Forget her PR people. उसकी mother जो घर पे बैठी हुई है.
आपने मुझे मालूम है,
Of
बोला
course,
है.
I've tried it. I've told Ananya that, because see, I used to tell her that, think before you speak. Hear a question. Ananya की क्या आदत है, अगर आप उससे कोई सवाल पूछेंगे, वो वेट भी नहीं करती कि वेट कर रही होती कि ख़त्म हो और मैं जवाब दूँ. So I used to say, let the person complete. Take 5 seconds and breathe and then answer. But she's not that person. She can't do it. I told her many times, and also I think she's quite real. Like a lot of times I know ki when you go for interviews, I know I'm aware, and they're always like people ask for the questions before because they want to go prepared. You know that, right? It happens.
Of course.
It happens with everyone. I mean, but I know she doesn't like to do that because, and actually, it's also interesting because how long can you pretend? You can't. Eventually people catch on, and eventually if she had pretended to be this very, very, articulated person from the age of 18 and, I mean, where is her growth? How can she, come out of school so articulated and like speak like everything right and everything correct? It doesn't show people the real person and their journey over the years. See, she's not joined the industry at 25, 26. She joined it at 18. There has to be a growth in every aspect.
वो कभी कभार वो बिंदास कमेंट्स बोलती हैं, जैसे मेरा टैलेंट है, मैं टंग ऊपर करती हूँ,
Yeah.
जो हम लोग सब करते हैं. मेरे भी बहुत सारे टैलेंट्स हैं जो मैं बिंदास करता हूँ,
Yeah,
राइट.
yeah.
फिर उसकी ट्रोलिंग होती है, एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड कि हर उम्र में 15, 16, 17, 18, 20 हम लोग में एक बचपना होता है, which we all have,
Yeah,
right?
of course.
When she gets trolled for that, do you as a mother become fiercely protective and you become this tigress?
No, of course. As a mother, I mean, today you have two young girls. Even as a father, I mean, you have two young girls, and if anyone says anything about them, it's going to hurt you, you know. But I think मेरे साथ ये initially ज़्यादा होता था. When she had just entered the industry, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था. मेरे को लगता था कि क्यों बोल रहे हैं ऐसे इसके बारे में. She is not that person. And वो तो मजाक कर रही है. उसका sense of humor समझ नहीं आ रहा. You know, so many things. But over a period of time, I realized that she's also blessed with a lot of love in different ways. You know, where there's हमारी क्या आदत है as human beings, all of us, अगर हमारी पोस्ट के नीचे भी 100 कमेंट होंगे और अगर 80 अच्छे हैं और 20 खराब हैं, we tend to focus on the 20 that were written badly. और आप देखोगे यूजुअली वो नास्टी कमेंट पे ही सबसे ज़्यादा लाइक्स भी होंगे. It's traction. Negativity tracks more than positivity. That's the way it is. But today, I feel very different because I feel कि उसने हर criticism को, genuine criticism को, authentic criticism को, she's taken it in her stride, she's worked hard, and she's keeping her head down and working hard and proving herself in the field of work that she's in. Okay? Trolling hoti rahegi. I mean, the biggest of actors, the biggest of superstars get trolled, yeah. So we always say she's in good company.
ऐसा कभी होता है, obviously she's growing up. Now when we were in school, college, we would have girlfriend, boyfriends. No one would know,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, a young girl, when she
Yes.
has things which normal people do,
Of
comes
course,
out
yeah.
कि boyfriend है, अच्छा ये boyfriend नहीं है, आज ये boyfriend है, ये boyfriend नहीं, ये वो, and it starts getting written about. And people ask you about it. Do they ask you about it also?
I mean, it happened in the show, didn't it? I mean, in the show, when I went to SRCC for my thing, I was asked that question, right? And I said, listen, she's leading her life. I mean, they were asking about her and girls her age. I said, her. I said, even you girls, you know, all of y'all, you, me at your age, we've had crushes and, you know, we've fallen in love, we've fallen out of love. But the difference is we never made the headlines. She makes the headlines. That's the only difference. There's no difference between her or any young girl. She gets written about and they don't. It's as simple as that.
Does that make you get worried जब ये boyfriend relationship
No,
rumors आते नहीं?
no. I don't get worried. Not at all. Because we know what she is. She's, you know, she till date, she speaks the truth, you know, which is one thing I swear I am so happy with my girls, touch wood, and it should always remain like that. They have a very, very honest relationship with Chunky and me. तो हमें पता है उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. हमें पता है कि उनके दिमाग में क्या है, उनके दिल में क्या है. I to think about my parents when I was younger, yeah. उनको तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था. I remember जब मैं अपने father के पास गई थी. At first I told my mother. I didn't even have the guts to tell my father. जब मैं अपनी mother के पास गई and I said I want to marry Chunky Pandey, they were like, what? They had no clue about my life because I was so scared to tell them. I mean, I'm lucky, I'm fortunate, things worked out well for me, right, today. But being so impulsive at that age and not listening to your parents and them not knowing about your life could have turned any way. You know, because I didn't even take their guidance. Like I remember my father was like, no, you cannot. You cannot marry him. He's an actor. We are not from the film industry. We don't know that world. You're going to go to Bombay. What about your career? What about your work? And I was like, no, I will get married to him. I had decided I wanted to marry him. And I did not listen to my father. Today, I mean, he considers Chunky more a son than even me as a daughter. But that's touch wood, things worked out the way they did. I am just glad that our girls speak to us. We know what's happening in their life. We give them guidance. We are able to have that relationship. I never had that with my father or mother. I used to still tell, but I didn't. And there's so many girls out there who must be hiding so much from their parents just because of fear. And I think it's so important to have an open conversation with your kids because that's the only way you can guide them and help them. Because young minds can do anything,
And
can think
also,
anything.
rather than going out to the outside world and confiding and people giving you
Yeah.
wrong advices, इससे अच्छा घर में आके
एंड
एडवाइस ले
यूजुअली
लो
क्या
आप.
होता है तुम एडवाइस अपनी फ्रेंड से लेते हो और आपकी फ्रेंड्स आपकी ही एज की होती हैं तो दे आर आइदर एज मेच्योर और एज इमेच्योर एज यू इन गिविंग द गाइडेंस एटलीस्ट वी हैव सीन लाइफ वी हैव गॉन थ्रू दोज ईयर्स वी हैव अ लिटिल एक्सपीरियंस यू मे नॉट लिसन टू एवरीथिंग पर कहीं कुछ तो रजिस्टर होगा ना एंड आई फील ऑनेस्टली Siddharth, and you will see it with your girls also when they grow up, you will have to be their friend. Times are very different. I mean, today they have so much more exposure than us. You have to be, forward thinking, you have to be, liberal, and you have to be okay with a lot of things. It's fine. It's fine. And you have to trust your kids that they will make the right decision. They will. And they have to go through what a journey of a teenager to a grown adult is. They will have to go through that journey. Now, whether it's in the public eye or it's not, the point is that they will have to go through that journey.
क्या वो आपके सामने बैठ के confide करती है to the point where she can show her most vulnerable side to you when a relationship breaks off?
Absolutely. Absolutely. 100%, which is so beautiful. And touch wood, that is even with, I have kind of made that same, two-way conversation even with my younger daughter. And more than me, they can even speak to their father. You know what happens, girls or boys, I don't know, they can, वो थोड़ा father से वो थोड़ा रहता है कि I don't know how much we can tell my father, will my father understand, because it will be probably a different point of view. But they are as close and they can tell them as much to them as probably they tell their friends. I mean, मैं उनकी friends से इतनी बार बात करती हूँ, अनन्या की सारी friends से, और हमें सब मालूम होता है. It's like उनकी friends डर नहीं रही कि अरे can I say this in front of Bhavna auntie? Maybe she doesn't know. There is no fear. And I am so thankful to God for that. Because at least, see, people are going to go through their ups and downs, their heartbreaks, their everything. But if there's someone supporting you through that, and no one is going to think more for you than your parent. No one. I mean, that selfless thing is not going to come from anywhere. I realized that when I grew up, the way my parents thought for me, there's no one in the world who will think for me like that.
In fact, एक school होता है जो बोलता है, parent should be a parent. A
course.
parent should not be a friend. But I agree with you. I agree with you. With my own baby girls जो 9-6 साल की हैं, honestly, I say this, I've already become a pal.
Yes.
I've already become.
Yes, they have so much exposure today. Yes, be a parent. Of course, you have to be a parent. Like, you have to be strict on certain things. Like, you can't have them getting completely spoiled. They have to learn certain values. As a parent, you teach them, value for money, value for, relationships, respect to elders, things like that, being empathetic, being this, all that is like going to be the root of their upbringing when they're growing up in their, but then also when they start getting to an age where they're going to become teenagers and, they're going to have different kind of thoughts in their life and they want to have different kind of experiences, that's when you become a friend. Even I have learned it along. I was not born like this, It's like you learn with your own experiences and then you try to put them as much as with your child.
So as a mother, how do you approach a situation like this? Say Ananya comes to you with her first breakup or first film, which शायद box office में नहीं चली. वहीं है आपके पास कि मम्मा breakup हो गया, पहला breakup है, if you can remember that, and first film not working out. क्या आप सिर्फ सुनती हैं and just let her talk? आपने क्या किया?
No, of course you have to hear them out. अच्छे से सुनो what they are feeling. और क्या होता है कि which I also realize कि बहुत बार हम ऐसे बोलते हैं कि चलो चलो कोई बात नहीं, भूल जाओ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, next one, your next film will be amazing, your next this thing will be fine, don't worry, and you do that. But I feel which I've learned from my girls, that they have to feel what they have to feel. And they have to go through those emotions. You cannot magically do things for them. You can't. You can just be there for them, supporting them, and telling, being their strength from the back. You're like, listen, don't worry, I am here. You feel what you have to feel. I am here. I'm here. It's scary because children sometimes can go on a tangent, and thoughts can be crazy, and you don't want your child's thought to go in a spiral way. So you have to be there. You have to, and it's so important because nowadays तो अब हम सब इतना काम भी कर रहे हैं, parents, both parents are working most of the time, and hats off, women are working, men are working. We are not being able to give probably जैसे पहले housewives होती थी, they used to I mean जो घर पे काम पे नहीं जा रही हैं, घर पे हैं, वो बच्चों के साथ पूरा पूरा दिन भी होती थी. अब इतना सारा टाइम भी कई बार नहीं मिलता. तो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी देयर फ्रेंड. इनफैक्ट टुडे, आज के टाइम में, it is even more important to be their friend than ever.
डेलुलू सोलुलू, बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या? हाई ऑन चाय, चाय प्रेमी विचित्र प्राणी, बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Yes, Angar's latest collection of t-shirts, hoodies, jumpsuits are out. Trendy, cool, new designs with slogans that you and I see in our daily lives at affordable prices. Also, if you're an Angar customer, if you have the Angar merchandise with you, click pics with them and post it on your Instagram and tag me at @Sid_Kannan, and I would love to repost them. Angar pehno or Angar machao.
ये गर्ल गैंग जो अपने आप को
हाँ.
बोलती है सिस्टर्स, Suhana coming out supporting Ananya like elder sister, Shanaya, Suhana. ये आपके घर में तो खेले होंगे as babies.
Of course.
Do you feel like a mother to Suhana, Shanaya also? क्योंकि आपके सामने ये सब बड़े हुए.
Absolutely, like 100%. It is so sweet because हमने इतनी सारी हॉलीडेज एक साथ ली हैं. और हमारा क्या होता था, जब हमें मिलना होता था, जब भी, और हम बहुत मिलते थे, तब तो हम इससे भी ज़्यादा मिलते थे जब अब मिलते हैं, बिकॉज अब सबकी लाइफ्स काफ़ी बिजी हो गई हैं. बट दैट टाइम व्हेन द किड्स वर स्मॉल, जब छोटे थे अनन्या, सुहाना और शनाया, हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम होता था. व्हेन यू लाइक जस्ट हम सबके इतने करियर्स नहीं थे एट दैट टाइम. वी वर ऑल वर्किंग बट इन डिफरेंट वेज. तो हम काफ़ी मिलते थे, बट वी यूज्ड टू मेक श्योर कि हम बच्चों को भी मिलाते थे. So we were very happy. We were actually saying like thank God that they are also friends. क्योंकि ये फिर ये नहीं होता कि you're leaving your daughter at home to go to meet your friend. So for me it was like when I'm going to meet my friends, my kids are coming and they are also meeting their friends. So वो guilt बहुत कम हो जाती थी. कभी lunch पे बैठे हैं, 3-4 घंटे हो गए, कभी कभी 5 घंटे भी हो गए, पर ये नहीं लगता था कि घर भागना है बिकॉज बच्चे घर पे हैं, क्योंकि बच्चे हमारे साथ होते थे. So they have literally grown up with each other. It's like, I would say more than sisters because राइसा 5.5 साल के बाद पैदा हुई थी. तो शनाया और सुहाना तो मतलब अनन्या के 1 साल बाद शनाया हुई और उसके 1 साल बाद सुहाना हुई, तो तब से ही वो एक साथ है.
What is that one thing you say, wow, when I see these three girls together, this is the wow thing about them as a unit?
You know what? First of all, of course, their friendship is beautiful, and touch wood, I hope it always remains like that. It will. I'm not even going to say I hope it does. It will remain like that. Three of them have turned into such beautiful, strong, young women, I can say today. And what I love about them, that all of them, and I'm sure you will, I don't know if you've, done an interview with Suhana yet, or Shanaya you'll be doing soon, whenever, you will realize one thing about these girls, they are so respectful. You will see that they are so empathetic and respectful, which according to me is the most important, because what you do in your work life, your careers, success, not success, tomorrow, Suhana's could be the biggest superstar, and I hope so, and or Shanaya or Ananya, or they'll have failures, they'll have successes, but I think it's your nature, it's what you are as a person at the core, if you can respect people and respect people who do nothing back for you. And I see that in these girls. They are strong, they are respectful, they're very well-mannered girls. very, and they are kind. These girls, their core value is they are all very kind girls.
Have all the three girls at any point of time कभी रूल तोड़ा है जहाँ पे आप बोली कैसे तोड़ा है तुम तीन गर्ल्स ने एक साथ, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
नहीं, हमेशा तीनों में से एक वॉइस ऑफ रीजन बन जाती है, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. कि अगर दो मस्ती का सोच भी रही है, तीसरी बोलेगी नहीं करना चाहिए. वी नॉट नीडेड टू एक्चुअली, थैंक गॉड. एक्चुअली ऐसे थैंक गॉड सो ऑफन. कट अ फ्यू.
ठीक है.
लोग कहेंगे पागल हो गए.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, गॉड हमारे साथ ऐसे ही
Yeah.
कभी भी. हाँ, तो उन लोगों ने कभी ऐसा रूल तोड़ा नहीं है
No,
क्या?
no, no, no. They've never broken any rules. No. They're good girls. Whatever the world may think, they are good girls.
What do you think the world thinks?
I said whatever they may think. Good, bad, anything. They are. I know it for a fact that they are very good girls.
सीमा, महीप, आप.
We are bad girls.
No, I don't know them that well, but I know you're not a bad girl. I know that
We
for
can
sure.
be very naughty. I think हमारे बच्चे, they are not 1% of what we are.
Yeah?
No, no, no.
आप तीनों का बॉन्ड डीप भी है. Do you guys sit together and discuss inner conflicts जो होता होगा लाइफ में, एक दूसरे के लाइफ में करते हो आप?
Of course.
Intensely.
Intensely. Absolutely. I mean, I have my school friends, I have my college friends who I am still friends with. And I discuss a lot with them also. But a lot of times क्या होता है, महीप, सीमा, नीलम और हम सब के साथ क्या होता है कि we are living similar kind of life. And a lot of my school friends and college friends may not understand, you know, with the industry what happens, and now our kids coming in the industry. So there are a lot of common things that we feel, we connect on, and we talk about. And that's been there for years. हमेशा हम एक दूसरे से हमेशा दिल खोल के बात की है. Of course हमारे झगड़े भी हुए हैं, like siblings fight. We've made up, we've overcome those. It's like a normal friendship. We fight, we love each other, we can't do without each other, and sometimes we can't do with each other also. So we've gone through all the emotions with each other.
क्या आपको लगता है क्योंकि आप लोग एक्ट्रेसेस, आई मीन एक्टर्स की वाइफ्स हैं, समटाइम्स पीपल मे नॉट टेक यू सीरियसली क्योंकि उनका प्री कंसीव नोशन होता है कि इनके लाइव्स बड़े आराम होते होंगे, सिंपल होता होगा, इनका काम ही है मजे करना?
Of course. And see, to a certain extent, I don't blame the people also, to a certain extent. Don't take it so far also, but to a certain extent, yes, we are very blessed with a lot of things. We have a lot of privileges, and we will never deny that. But but we are also emotionally there. It's not that, you know, in a person's life, material wealth is not everything. You know, yes, we are very blessed when it comes to that, but we feel emotionally like anybody else does. And as friends, we discuss it with each other. Oh God, I lost my chain of thought. There was something I wanted to tell.
Emotionally confiding each other in.
Yeah, of course we do. But there was something I wanted to say there. Now it slipped my mind. It'll come back.
No, but
yeah.
For example, Seema, what she went through with Sohail and all that, when these things happen, do you get involved or you let them just be?
See, everyone thinks differently. I'm the kind of person who first would like the couple to kind of sort out the differences as much as they can till it's reached a stage where you really need the advice of a friend. Of course, we are there to support her. I mean, I'm there to support all my friends in whatever decisions they eventually take. Yeah.
गौरी का क्या है इस पूरे फ्रेमवर्क में? What role does she play in your life?
I think Gauri is very, she's like, I think somewhere she's the crux of our friendship, I feel. Because Gauri, even though she can come across as a person who's the most disconnected, is actually the most connected to each one of us. You know, she may seem disinterested or whatever at times, but actually she's the one who makes the plans. You know, we always end up meeting in her house. She will make and she makes the maximum plan. She'll say, chalo, dinner pe milte hain. Even when the kids were growing up, because they had a huge garden in their house and stuff, हमेशा हम लोग गौरी के घर पे ही मिलते थे. Because फिर वो खेल सकते थे, इधर उधर भाग सकते थे, and they had the space. You know, so I think Gauri has been like a central thing in our friendship.
Would you call Shah Rukh like an elder brother to you?
No, he's not an elder brother to me or something. No, but he's just an amazing person. There's so much to learn from him. And I'm actually very glad that the children spend so much time around him, because it's not about being Shah Rukh Khan. What he's been as a father to Suhana, Aryan, and now Abram, and how he's been even with my children. It's been amazing. Or any of our kids. He used to, whatever free time he had, he wanted to train them, which was amazing. Sport, bhagna hai. And jab football khelni hai, and he used to do all the sports with the kids, because I think he himself is a very active, sporty person. तो हम लोग थोड़े इवन चंकी और मैं, हम दोनों लेजी हो जाते थे स्पोर्ट में, बट शाहरुख मेड श्योर द गर्ल्स एंड ही टॉट देम द आर्ट ऑफ बीइंग, यू नो, competitive in a healthy manner, which was beautiful. And he used to always take their side over Aryan and the boys.
वो तो कहते ही है ना, girls always.
Yeah.
But देखो, whenever I see Aryan's pictures nowadays, वो कभी स्माइल नहीं करते पिक्चर में, ऐसा एक स्टड लुक होता है. रियल लाइफ में स्माइल करते हैं कि नहीं ज्यादा?
Aryan is one of the sweetest boys, and
I've been told.
yeah, he's very, very well mannered, and he's working hard on something which the world will see soon.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Is he very protective about all these girls?
No, I think Shah Rukh has made these girls so strong. They
Ah.
protect themselves. Yeah, they're all friends. I mean, they're all good friends. They've been like friends since childhood. And they all look out for each other. All of them.
शालिनी और उनके हस्बैंड ने आपके पिताजी की मदद की थी टू हेल्प हिम इन हिज हेल्थ,
Yeah.
राइट? बट एक सेगमेंट कहता है कि शो पे आप बहुत पोकी है टुवर्ड्स शालिनी. ऐसा क्यों?
I'm not pokey towards Shalini. I treated Shalini like a friend. जैसे मैं सीमा, क्योंकि this show is about friendships, right? जैसे मैं सीमा का मजाक उड़ाती हूँ, या सीमा मेरा मजाक उड़ाती है, या हम लोग आपस में एक दूसरे को का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, सेम वे हम लोग शालिनी के साथ थे. हम चारों, एटलीस्ट मैं अपनी बॉम्बे वाली गर्ल्स की बात करूँगी, हम लोग सारे तो एक ऐसे ही कर रहे थे. आई मीन, अगर कल मैं अपनी विला में बैठी हुई हूँ, से महीप और मैं बैठे हुए हैं, और नीलम डिसाइड करती है कि वो बीच में जाके अपना समुंदर में जाके शील टेक अ डिप, Mahip and I would have reacted exactly like that with Neelam. So actually, I mean, we treated Shalini like, we treated Shalini, Ridhima and Kalyani. We are supposed to not be like, would you enjoy the show कि अगर हम वहाँ बैठ के बोलते, ओ रिधिमा तुम इतनी स्वीट हो, शालिनी
पर
तुम
फिरकी
इतनी
तो लेते
sweet हो.
दोस्तों का है यार.
हाँ, वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ.
दोस्त में तो ऐसे होता है ना.
Friendship, and this show is about friendships. If we are going to become fake, then how is it a show like that? You tell me.
अरे I remember I was hosting an event, yeah, and my school friend came in the audience front row में.
हाँ.
I thought I was doing a great job. वो मुझे बोल रहा है, अबे बटन नीचे तेरा बंद है, he's WhatsApp.
इसका ये मतलब है कि पोक कर रहा है. He's you're all friends. Like अगर आप देखो, हम जब कॉलेज के लिए जा रहे हैं, मैं how much I showed off, and then सीमा का मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं क्योंकि उसको अरुण जेटली नहीं पता, या हम अपना खुद का मजाक उड़ा रहे थे जब हम शालिनी के घर गए. उसकी आर्ट देख के हमें याद ही नहीं आ रहा था कौन सा आर्टिस्ट कौन है, हमने अपना मजाक उड़ाया सबका. एंड शालिनी इज I think Shalini has done amazing on this show. She has really, really put herself out there.
There's
and
a
hats off
segment.
to her.
There's a
Yeah.
segment जो कहता है कि she's stolen the show.
Maybe so. Maybe so. See, she's also new. There's a lot of curiosity around her, and she's unique. She's a unique personality. Even we were also very entertained with her while filming. अगर हम लोग कुछ हंस रहे थे या कुछ, because aren't you all sitting in your living rooms today and enjoying her, the entertainment? We were also going through that. It's not about laughing at her. It is laughing at what she was doing. It was entertaining. I think she's very, very entertaining. And her one-liners are so funny. Should we sit with a straight face? When she gives a one-liner, should we sit with a straight face and say, oh, Shalini, you're so sweet, or laugh? And, I don't know why it's been taken it to that level. According to me, it's smooth. And Shalini is a friend. We are in touch. We were hanging together at Manish's party. We met after that. We've done so many panels together, and we have a great time.
What do you think
But
about...
people have an opinion, and they must have it. It's very important to have an opinion on our show. If people stop having an opinion on our show, then our show is in trouble.
And dissect करना बहुत अच्छी बात है ना.
बहुत ज़रूरी है. बहुत जरूर.
Your nephew, Ahan.
Acha, going back to, sorry, Shalini, very important, because you said one section said that they gave blood to my father, and I would like to acknowledge that. We acknowledged it on the show, that when my father was in the hospital, he was in the ICU during COVID. He needed blood plasma, and Shalini's husband Sanjay's blood group is the same, and my sister, Sanjay is very close to my family. My father and Sanjay speak on every Saturday. He may not speak to me, but he speaks to Sanjay every Saturday. He treats Sanjay like a son. And this is over the years. कोई show में नहीं हुआ है. This is over the years. So he came and gave plasma to my dad. And in fact, I remember Chunky ने अपने segment में ये बात बोली है कि he's been more of a son-in-law than even more of a son than even I, better son than me, I have been a son-in-law. So we are very grateful for that. I owe Sanjay my life for doing that for my father.
How sweet, Baba.
No, I do. And today, he and Shalini or Robin, their son, can call us for anything. Anything. And we are there for them. I don't need to show that in a show which is an entertaining show, but they know that we are there for them whenever they need them. Whenever. And my father, to my God, he loves them.
Coming back to your niece
Yeah.
and nephew, Ahan and Alana.
Alana, yeah.
उनका आपने देखा रियलिटी शो अलाना का?
हाँ, एक एपिसोड रह गया because I got busy with my own show, but I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying
Lot
this.
of fun.
How are they with you?
Oh, they're very sweet because they again. So पहले हम लोग joint family जैसे रहते थे.
जी.
There were 3 apartments on the same floor. That's why Ananya, Raisa also so close to their cousins. They moved to another place only few years back, like maybe 7-8 years back. तब तक हम एक ही फ्लोर पे 3 अलग फ्लैट थे पर बहुत मिलते थे और एक साथ रहते थे. They are beautiful kids. Alana is so fiercely independent, such a strong girl. And how she's made a life of her own is amazing. She left from Bombay not knowing what she's going to do. She did fashion school, in London. She didn't know. She went to LA and she's made her own life in a beautiful manner.
Ahan?
Ahan, fingers crossed, looking forward to his launch now. Everyone knows, he's going to be an actor soon and he's very filmy. I think people are going to love him.
Filmy as in पूरा walk सब.
Sab kuch. Full Hindi film hero.
क्या बात है.
Yeah. And he's a good looking boy. You've met him. You've seen
course,
him.
of
He's a very
course,
good looking
of
boy.
course.
In fact, a lot of people think he's Chunky's son.
Can I tell you?
Yeah.
I promise you.
Yeah.
I might get trolled for them. ठीक है.
अभी तो इस इंटरव्यू में बहुत ट्रोलिंग हो रहा है.
तो हम लोग क्या है? मैं एक्चुअली वापस गूगल मारा. Because कितना चंकी की तरह दिखता है वो.
Yeah.
He looks like Chunky.
A young Chunky and Ahan are very similar.
His smile is also a lot like Chunky,
Yeah,
na?
yeah. So I think, that smile they've got from my father-in-law. Ahan and Chunky both, that one typical smile is what my father-in-law used to have.
Father-in-law must have been quite a charmer, huh?
My father-in-law was a bigger charmer than Chunky.
Ah.
Yeah, bigger.
Now we know where you got it from.
And imagine a charming doctor. How cool is that?
Must be having a lot of patience.
Patience and patience.
Yeah. People who
He
don't
was a
have...
he was a heart surgeon, Baba. He should not have too many
No,
patients.
but what I meant is,
Yeah.
people जिनके पास था भी नहीं ना, वो पहुंच जाते होंगे कि यार थोड़ा दर्द हो रहा है, please heal
दिल
कर
में
दो.
दर्द हो रहा है पर कोई और रीजन है.
Easy, Ahan anxious है अपने debut के बारे में?
He's quite calm actually. He is. I met him recently and Diwali. He had come home for Diwali and I found him more anxious a couple of years back. I think when he was like, he was very young and he was like, trying to get a film or trying to come out with his thing was when I found him more anxious. But there was such a calm demeanor to him this time when I met him, which made me realize that kind of it's sunk in what he has to do. And I think he's going to have a beautiful journey. And I really hope and pray it does.
It's so beautiful. जैसे हमारे टाइम पे, हमारा टाइम अभी भी है, but ठीक है.
Of course.
पर हम लोग को क्या था? सक्सेस आता था, we used to थोड़ा उड़ जाते थे, फिर लाइफ बम्बू मारती थी in raw languages, then we used to become and then over a period of time हम लोग को समझ आ गया कि सक्सेस फेलियर handle it in zen mode.
Yeah.
ये बच्चों को पहले ही मालूम है ये सब यार.
They are seeing it around them, na?
Fantabulous.
They're seeing it. See, if you're saying Ananya ने अपने फादर को देखा है, अनन्या ने, आहान ने भी अपने अंकल, अपने चाचू को देखा है ना. एंड इफ यू सी, वी हैव सो मेनी, they have friends whose parents are actors and they're seeing everyone's journeys, na. Children are smarter than we think they are, and when they kind of grow up in, you know, an environment like this, you know, they tend to register it even more. They realize कि nothing is permanent.
आप मुझे बताओ कि क्या all these kids spiritual हैं?
They're actually very spiritual.
है ना?
They are spiritual in their own way, beautiful way. I've seen, in fact, kids today are more into meditation and all than we ever were.
आपके बच्चे करते हैं
Of
meditation?
course, दोनों करते हैं. And you know, I keep sending Ananya, you know, these 6-minute meditations, you know, which, and she herself does it. You know, sometimes she has like a tough shoot, like, you know, she has an important scene. She will always do the exercises, voice exercises, and things that are required. She'll do her meditation. Ananya is actually very spiritual. She's become even more. She's a very spiritual.
Fear of God है इनमें?
Absolutely, सब में. We all fear God in our family.
Wow.
And we all are believers. Yeah. In one supreme power.
I feel a lot of peace in your house, yeah.
Yes, thank
मुझे
you.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. Genuinely, when I came in only.
You're also sitting in the northeast corner of the house where my temple is. So
बहुत
yeah.
अच्छा feel होता है.
Thank you.
It makes me feel very serene and nice.
I'm glad you say
I
that.
really mean that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, I nearly broke down when you told me, because I don't think I have spoken to anyone where they have said that to me, where you said that, do you think you were more emotional crutch to him than, you know, when you spoke about Chunky and me getting married at that time, like I thought he was supporting me emotionally, but I never thought that I could have been also supporting him emotionally.
That's
you know,
again
it was
from-
like, it took me back to that time and I was like, did I really even, you know, think that he was in pain? No, I don't know. Maybe he was. Like, but it's now so many years ago, I never saw it. But he must have been. It is very hard on a person when, you know, especially when you've been on the top of things and you are not that anymore. I'm sure it must have been hard on him. Today, when I look back and when you said this, it's kind of a like thing that actually never made us feel, but I'm sure he had his pain.
I'm sure, because I feel
Yeah.
that. जैसे मेरी wife is a Marwadi girl born and brought up in Chennai, comes from a business family, and when we had an arranged marriage, she asked me one question. She said, "Yeah, you must be having such pretty girls." I was quite a party boy myself. And she said, "Why me?" And I said, "Listen, I wanted someone जो industry के बाहर हो, जिससे मैं बहुत सारी बातें कर सकता हूँ." Today I do podcasts, I do 15 events a month where there are 1,000 people in the audience. But if I step out, I need my wife around me.
Yeah.
I need her. I need her around me, and I get my confidence from her.
How beautiful of you to say that.
I need her. So if she's around, you'll see me being
I've
tough.
always seen you together with her.
But
Yeah.
that's it. But for
Yeah,
us,
yeah.
but for us to say it becomes difficult.
Yes.
But I told myself I need to say it rather than try and be a superhero.
Absolutely.
So it's like that. Coming back to quickly, right?
Yeah.
Who are you closer to? Ridhima, Kalyani, ya Shalini the most from the Delhi gang?
From the Delhi girls, I think it's pretty much similar. I do see Shalini more. She comes to Bombay more often, and I see her, you know, a lot more at parties and stuff. Ridhima doesn't come to Bombay so often, but I'm friendly with her as well. Kalyani I've known for years, and looking forward to getting to know these girls even better, hopefully in season 4.
How do these three girls that you've seen grow up in front of have inspired you to learn about yourself?
To be to take things head on and be very strong and not take everything to heart and so emotionally, and value true friendships. There's so much I see in them. Yeah, so much. I can't say one word. I'm like, I think when I watch them, I'm learning every day.
Thank you so much, Bhavna.
Yes, thank
बहुत
you.
अच्छा लगा. And I'm telling you honestly, I have loved you as a human being.
Thank you.
Because I've always believed you're the balanced lady. It takes a strong woman to build up their children so beautifully.
Thank you.
If the kids are so amazing, it's because the mother has to be amazing.
Yes.
And thank you for being you, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Sid.
And
That
I
was
want to give you
lovely.
this, okay?
Yes.
So this is Kawai Cosmetics.
Yeah.
My wife Neha has started perfume for kids. It's water-based, no alcohol, vitamin E, which is great for the skin of kids. And now
It's called
even-
kawaii.
Kawaii
What is
means
it? Cute.
cute in Japanese.
How cute.
And now even elders are using this. I want to give this to you.
How sweet. Thank you. Wishing her all the best. And is it already out? in the
Yes, it's
market?
out.
Guys, here, kawaii. Please go check it out. I'm going to check it out. I'll tell you how I
पक्का?
feel. Yeah. एक जल्दी से खोल के फटाफट स्मेल करके देख लेते हैं
अरे
ना?
अरे अभी मारो एक मार सकते हो
एक मारू? अच्छा, चलो।
मारो मारो बड़ा
Very cute packaging, huh? It smells really good. Oh, it's very nice. And it's water-based.
Yeah, no alcohol, vitamin E. Huh?
Lovely. Thank you. Please wish her all the best.
Thank you and
Okay.
thank you. You're
Thank
my
you.
eternal star, okay?
Thank you.
Bhavna, bye.